All right. You searched everywhere online, and nowhere online will tell you how to put in an exterior camp sink on your camper. My camper has a small sink inside, but I don't like to wash the dishes in there. I like to brush my teeth. So we bought this off of Amazon. It's a fish cleaning table. It's got enough water in it to be able to slop some water. No problem if it goes on the deck. And but what I have found is there's no information online to show you how to do it. So Amazon sink, Amazon faucet. We're going to have a hose for the gray water drain, and we're going to have a hose that comes in and feeds it water. Stay tuned. I'll show you how I'm going to do it. All right, let me walk you through this. This is the drain you're going to get with the sink. Now, the problem is if you want it to go to a water hose, you've got to have some adapters. This black piece is going to be my adapter, but I'm going to show you how all this works. First thing I had to do, now I know it doesn't go like this, but you have to have something to screw this piece to. So I just glued this through the back side, and that's just gonna be your drain anyway. So I'll show you how I'll do it. All right, let's look at it. All right, all I got, that's your regular attachment. That's going to serve as a P-trap. That's just Panduit straps so the water will stay in there. And then it's going to run down that hose. That's the adapter screwed on there with a seal. That's taped, plumbing taped, and should run every once in a while. You have to pick it up, guys. It's just gray water. And let me show you on the other side of how I did that. So you just go loose, buy that adapter, fits that, slide it through the opposite side. It'll connect up in there. Screw that on. All right, there's my main water going into the camper. You can see it goes in over there. Got a splitter, water splitter. That's going to carry it back up to the sink. And right here I've got the gray water drain. I wanted a different color so I know which one it is. It's going to come out. And all I did was wrap it up in there so to get free fall. And I'll probably have to pull it, put some tension on it. I'll do that here in a minute. Runs to the T and goes in. Easy as that. We're gonna try it out. All right. Just dropped the pile of water down there. Perfect. Drained over on the other side. Got zero problems. Looks good. That's an outdoor sink. There, telling you how to do things. Can't find it. Look, you want to camp, outdoor sink. You want it to go to your black water. That's the way to do it. Make it easy. Don't work yourself to death. Hey, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you out on the adventure.